Hello, this is Nick with Albert Air Conditioning, and today we are going to look at two furnaces and coils in an attic that are upflow. As always, please like this video, subscribe to my page, leave a comment in the section below if you have any questions about this. I'm going to go through these systems, kind of show you what they are. I will do another video on the outside condensers that we match it with, so be sure to stay tuned for that as well. So basically we have a 5-ton Carrier furnace here. It's 100,000 BTUs. Underneath that, because it's in an attic, we did put a drain pan on it underneath it and a kill switch. So if for any reason the coil leaked, it would go into that pan and it would kill the system so it wouldn't damage the floor of the attic. We do have two drain lines off this system and they are marked. We have a primary drain and a secondary. So the primary has the trap on it so we can blow it out, and that goes to a main drain, and the secondary goes out over a window. We also have the flue vent right here, which is a double wall flue vent all the way up through the roof. We have our upflow evaporator coil right there, and that is attached with these refrigerant lines to the AC unit outside. And then we did new plenums. That's where the basically a box where we attach all the ductwork to, where the air comes off and goes to all the rooms. So this is the 5-ton 100,000 BTU Carrier furnace. Over here we have a 4-ton Carrier furnace, which is 60,000 BTUs, and basically the same setup on this side with the drain pan underneath the furnace. We did the new gas flex. They all have the new electrical plugs. We have the flue vent. Obviously we have our evaporator coil and also a supply plenum on top. So if you have any questions about these, please let me know. I'm happy to answer any of your comments in the section below. Like this video, subscribe to my page. I'm going to do a follow-up video on this with the outside condensers. They are a 5-ton and a 4-ton Comfort Series units by Carrier, so be on the lookout for that. I should have that out shortly after this video. If you need to ask me any questions otherwise, visit us at albertair.com, or you can call me at 714-526-6368. Thank you.